Nĩ Ceceni gĩa gũthomithia rigiti igũrũ rĩgiĩ gũtangĩkĩra mũrimũ wa Ebola kĩrĩa kĩrugũrĩtio mwena wa Portrees gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Changamwe kaunti-inĩ ya Mombatha. Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya kũrugũria gĩceceni gĩkĩ, Fatuma Ali ũrĩa nĩ abithaa wa maũndũ megiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Mombatha oigĩte gĩceceni gĩkĩ kĩambĩrĩirio ĩrĩ ta njĩra ĩmwe ya meharĩrĩria ma gũtangĩkĩra mũrimũ ũyũ, mũno makĩria nĩ ũndũ wa kaunti ya Mombatha gũkorwo ĩrĩ ũgwati-inĩ mũnene wa mũrimũ ũyũ.
Mombasa County has been marked as one of the high priority counties within the country, and so as part of those preparedness efforts, we've partnered with MSF to come up with this hub, which will act as a center for skill development, as well as simulation exercises and professional development as well.
We have all the required resources in terms of PPEs, in terms of the materials that the healthcare workers need to prep or to really don and dress in a center like this. So as I said, it's a training center, so they have to really feel and really don and have the experience of working in a center like this.
Anyitite mina makiuga ona thengia gukorwo gutiri mundu ona umwe nyititwo ni murimu uyu guku bururi-ini, kaunti ya Mombatha ni reigiriro ria kuma mabũrũri maingi na iri ugwati-ini wa kugumirwo ni murimu uyu, koguo ni nginya makorwo mehariirie.
We really want to help the department to equip the health workers, but not only the health workers, to be prepared in case there is a suspected case.
We well know as a county we've been marked as a high priority county because of our proximity to the point of entry through the airport, through the seaport, and also our transportation hub, which involves the truck drivers through the point of entry, the borders with Congo, Uganda, and all the high-risk countries that are reporting the outbreaks.
Gĩceceni gĩkĩ gĩtanyĩtwo gũteithĩrĩria maabithaa a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na njĩra cia kwĩharĩrĩria gũtangĩkĩra arwaru a mũrimũ ũyũ, kũrĩa itĩna-inĩ rĩa mbere maabithaa 20 mekũheo mathomo ma gũtangĩkĩra arwaru aya.
So for sure these are preparedness. We have no cases of Ebola in Kenya as we speak, but we recognize the need to really capacity build the healthcare workers on how to respond to Ebola. We are training in batches. This is the first batch. The next batch will be on Thursday, Friday. We'll also have other batches jointly with the county, all in preparation on how to really get the critical skills, how to work in a center like this.
Thengia wa mathomo kũrĩ arigiti, gĩceceni gĩkĩ gĩthondeketwo na njĩra kĩngĩhũthĩka ta karantini ya gũtangĩkĩra arwaru a mũrimũ ũyũ. Andũ-inĩ ha Inoro TV kuma gũkũ gĩcũa-inĩ kaunti ya Mombatha, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Madi.